Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, pedestrian alert system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.